Imagine being stretched into a stream of particles, witnessing the entire history of the universe from the Big Bang to the distant future. Welcome to the world of black holes. These cosmic entities are no ordinary objects. They possess a density and mass that's beyond comprehension, so intense that they warp the very fabric of space and time. Just picture this. A black hole is like a cosmic beast lurking in the shadows of the universe, devouring anything that strays too close, even light itself. Now let's talk about spaghettification. No, it's not about turning into your favorite Italian dish, but it's an equally fascinating concept. This term describes what would happen to you if you were to venture too close to a black hole. The gravitational pull is so extreme that you'd be stretched out, much like a piece of spaghetti. One end of you would feel a stronger pull than the other, elongating you into a thin stream of particles. But it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, near larger black holes, the stretching effect is less extreme. You might even remain intact long enough to experience the mind-bending phenomena that occur within these cosmic beasts. Imagine, for a moment, falling into a black hole. As you approach the speed of light, you'd experience time dilation. That means while mere moments pass for you, eons could go by outside the black hole. You'd be able to witness the entire history of the universe unfold before your very eyes. From the explosive brilliance of the Big Bang to the distant future. Oh, the paradoxes and mysteries of the universe. They're enough to make your head spin, aren't they? Yet, they're also what make our universe an endlessly fascinating place to explore. Now, are you ready to dive into this cosmic abyss and explore what happens if you fall into a black hole? So you've decided to take the plunge, to embark on a journey into the unknown. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. As we inch closer to this cosmic behemoth, the gravitational pull intensifies. It's not a tug, not a yank, but an all-encompassing force that seems to seep into every atom of our being. This is the gravitational pull of a black hole. A celestial object so dense and massive that it warps the very fabric of space and time. As we venture further, we start to feel a peculiar sensation, almost as if time is slowing down. This is no illusion, this is time dilation, a mind-bending effect of Einstein's theory of relativity. Near a black hole, the intense gravitational field slows down time. This means that while minutes pass for us, years, decades, even centuries may pass outside. But don't fret, this isn't a one-size-fits-all experience. The size of the black hole changes the game. Near larger black holes, the gravitational forces are less extreme. This means that our journey, our plunge into the unknown, can remain relatively intact. We may not be stretched into a string of particles, as one might expect. Instead, we can continue to observe and experience this cosmic spectacle. Now, the black hole looms before us, a void so dense that even light cannot escape. We're approaching the event horizon, the point of no return. This is where our understanding of the universe, of space, time, and reality is challenged. This is where the ordinary ends and the extraordinary begins. As we edge closer to the event horizon, things start to get really interesting. Hold tight, we're just getting started. We've reached the point of no return, the event horizon. This is where the fun begins. So, what exactly is this event horizon we're talking about? Picture it as the ultimate boundary, the line in the cosmic sand beyond which there is no escape. Not even light, the fastest thing in our universe, can outpace the pull of a black hole once it crosses this boundary. In other words, it's the point of no return. As we cross the event horizon, we're drawn inexorably closer to what lies at the heart of the black hole, the singularity. Now, the singularity is a point of infinite density. That's right, infinite. It's where the laws of physics, as we understand them, break down completely. It's the ultimate mystery, wrapped in an enigma, shrouded in riddles. Now, here's where things get really wild. As we get closer to the singularity, we'll start to experience some intense gravitational forces. These forces are so powerful that they can stretch you out into a stream of particles, a process known as spaghettification. But don't worry, this is all theoretical. We haven't sent any astronauts on a one-way trip to a black hole just yet. Here's another mind-bending aspect. As we get closer to the speed of light, we start to experience time dilation. That means time for us would slow down relative to someone far away from the black hole. So while we might think we're falling for just a few minutes, someone watching from afar would see us falling for what seems like forever. But hold on to your hats, because it doesn't stop there. Theoretically, as we fall into a black hole, we could witness the entire history of the universe from the Big Bang to the distant future, all in a flash. As we delve deeper into the black hole, reality as we know it starts to warp and twist, but what lies beyond? Let's find out. Welcome to the heart of the black hole. It's nothing like you've ever experienced before. This is the final stretch of our journey, the part where things get really wild. Imagine yourself being stretched into a stream of particles, much like a piece of spaghetti. This is what scientists call spaghettification. It might sound funny, but it's the harsh reality of black holes. The extreme gravitational forces pull and stretch everything that dares to venture too close. Now, if you're thinking that's it, I'm a goner, hold on to your hats because we're not done yet. The black hole experience is not just about being stretched into oblivion, it's also about witnessing something truly extraordinary. As you approach the speed of light, something peculiar happens. Time begins to slow down, a phenomenon known as time dilation. And as time slows down, you get the unique opportunity to see the entire history of the universe unfold before your eyes. From the Big Bang to the distant future, it's like having a front row seat to the greatest show in the cosmos. However, let's not forget the reality of our situation. While this journey is fascinating, it's also a one-way trip. Once you're in, there's no coming back out, but that's the allure of black holes, isn't it? They're enigmatic, unforgiving, and yet incredibly captivating, a symbol of the universe's many mysteries. And there you have it, a journey into a black hole. It's a one-way trip, but what a trip it is. Remember, in the vast universe, black holes are just one of the many mysteries waiting to be explored. So keep questioning, keep learning, and who knows, you might just uncover the next big cosmic secret.